on a cloudy day, when it's cold outside, I've got nothing.
And wish you a nice time in Magdeburg.
You say what will make me feel this way.
The job of the conductor is to inspire the singers to reach that point where we are not here now, we are somewhere else.
Difference between happiness and tears and sadness and back again into happiness. This is so emotional. You can only watch it and enjoy it from a distance. It was beautiful.